When our customers get excited about the top-level customer service we've given them and leave a 5-star review online, it really makes an impact on our staff. And in turn, we love to share that experience with others. They were so excited about the great customer service they received, they went online and left this review. After reading this ourselves, our staff was really excited about the great job we've done. We strive to give the best service around, and we pride ourselves in providing the best customer service there is. We value our customers new and old, and whether you're brand new or been through our doors before, we would like the chance to earn your business all over again. We appreciate you taking time to drop in on us today. You can contact us anytime at the number on your screen. We hope to see you soon.